What's the meaning of bylaw? Bylaw. Bylaw.
Bylaw. Bylaw. Bylaw refers to a rule or regulation made by a local authority, corporation, or organization for its own government. It is typically used in the context of municipal law, where it represents a type of legislation that applies within a particular jurisdiction. Bylaws can cover a wide range of topics, including zoning, noise control, animal control, and parking regulations. The purpose of bylaws is to ensure the safety and well-being of all residents within the jurisdiction while also providing guidelines for proper conduct. Therefore, bylaws play an essential role in maintaining order and harmony within a community.